Do you mind? People are trying to shop. Look at this thing. Huh?
Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Y'all, we're in Target right now. So right now I'm over here looking for some deodorant for CB and Brandon. It's noisy in here, guys. So I'm going to be going to Sam's pretty soon, but I think I have more than enough from my last Sam's visit that I have some leftovers, actually some unopened products. So I'm just trying to stock up for the winter. Guys, you know what? I buy this at Sam's for $17. Really? Really? Actually, I think it's this one. But you know what? I'm going to buy this one this time because I love lavender. Lavender is one of my favorite scents, guys. Favorite. I'll get this for CB. Okay, y'all, I'm home after the Target little shop, I guess spree or whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I end up spending $175. How, guys? I don't know. Everything is so expensive. I was having to buy like deodorant, vitamins, self-care products. I didn't even get everything, and I'm still needing to pick up a few things. But anyway, here's what I got. So I always keep petroleum jelly on hand. I buy this for my young men. A bottle apiece, nobody shares. And this here, I love lavender, like I said, so I have a diffuser that I use that for. And for me, you guys, believe it or not, I still love baby lotion. I know it's crazy. I got me some Nivea as well. And I picked up some vitamins for myself. We all take vitamins. Buster, just be patient. Elderberry. And I love this mouthwash, guys. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. Keeps your breath fresh 24 hours, guys. Baby oil for me. And I got Brandon and Clinton some men's vitamins, multivitamins. Buster, can you wait? Whew. I bought me some more of this. This is so good, guys. I love this. This is the Daily Hydration Body Oil, and I get it in coconut. It is so good for your skin. And I will be going to make a Sam's trip tomorrow, but I thought I saw this right here. It's the light white lavender. I love lavender, guys. So once again, and then I'm out of my plugins, which I may pick up some more at Sam's tomorrow. Deodorant for Brandon. I got deodorant for CB as well. And I bought this, guys. I couldn't wait till they had this available, but they have this in the grapefruit splash. I can't wait to use this for cleaning. And then I just got some coffee, guys. Oh, and some gum. So I got some of this coffee and then a pack of gum. And I think that's it, guys. All of this, like I said, detergent, okay, softener. All of this is in the lavender family. I'm a lavender girl. Check this out. I was in Walmart earlier, and now I'm in Sam's. Look at this. This thing just drives itself. Do you mind? People are trying to shop. Look at this thing. Huh? Okay, y'all, what a day. I have been to Walmart I didn't get a chance to do a haul. It was just primarily some of the things I didn't get last night when I went to Target, such as like my Dove soap. I love the pump type, and some other things for the house, creamer, coffee, stuff like that. And then I went to Sam's. So I'm going to do a quick haul at Sam's, and then I'm going to start cleaning my refrigerator. I have to get my nails done tomorrow because my nails have grown out and they're extremely sore. So I don't know how I'm going to clean it, because I like to put some elbow grease in when I clean things. So we'll see how that goes. But if it goes fairly well, I'll go ahead and record that as well. But here's what I got from Sam's. As you guys very well know, I buy the family packs of anything that they have there. The chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs were $16.84. You know what? I keep forgetting to get the price for these. I know it's on my receipt. No, it's $16.68 is how much it is. And I love this, guys, because guess what? You can prepare a meal for each one of these, and they're already packaged separately, and it's organic. I went ahead and I got a couple of T-bones, and that was $27.23. And then I got, for my doggies, all the chicken is no antibiotics or anything like that, no hormones or anything like that. So the chicken legs is what I usually give my fur babies, but this was $7.01, not bad. And I have Ziploc bags, guys, that I always put these in, and then I put dates on them. And then I got some more chicken thighs with the bone in and the skin, and it was $6.25. Okay, so I also bought a pack of lemons. I bought the case of bush beans. Brandon and I, my youngest, and I love these cuties. I love them. I think they were $6 something, guys. I think this was $7.88. Blah. Okay, and I don't know how much these are now. These are the paper towels, guys. Every time I go to Sam's, I have to buy some. You already know. These are for CB when he takes his lunch in the mornings for work. He loves popcorn, guys, so I got him the Act 2 popcorn. So I think it's 32 in the box here, 32 bags. And in addition to that, I have his all-time favorite, animal crackers. And of course, like I said, I got Ziploc bags for the freezer. I'm going to be separating the meats. I bought some Lysol sanitizer for the laundry. I also have Clorox Color as well. And then they had this on sale, guys, for $11. I love the way this smells. It has the hand soap, the dish soap, and the multi-surface cleaner. So I love this. And then we have some chicken Popeyes. And we have toilet tissue. Oh, excuse me. Goodness gracious. Oh. The seasons are changing. CB loves peanut butter and crackers. Well, these are cheese, but I think, yeah, they have peanut butter in them. And then I have some more dryer sheets. These have been doing very well, guys. And some more snacks for CB, of course, myself. I love the Oreos. They come, I think, 30 in a pack. So, yeah, these are good. What else did I buy? Oh, I bought a case of green beans. I think 8 come in there. This is upside down. That's true. There's 8 in here. I bought my Old Faithful. I love this stuff, guys. This Dawn is such a great cleanser. And then I bought some apples. And, okay, I bought some of this odor band. I love the way this smells, guys. I bought a family pack of 300 paper plates. I bought some yesterday today from Walmart as well. I'm hoping that this will last for a while. So I think that's it. Yep, I think that's it. So my job is to put away all the food, put things in the freezer bags, and clean out the refrigerator to make room for more food. But I'm also gonna try and see if I can go buy home goods. If you saw my last video, I saw some organizational things in there that I want for the refrigerator. So I'm gonna get busy, but I'm gonna keep you guys here with me, so hang on. So what I'm doing here, guys, I am just putting the meats away. I'm exhausted. um, so I don't even have to prepackage the ground beef because it comes perforated, and that's what I love about using that ground beef. I let it cool off. So right here, guys, I am just cleaning the sink and just trying to get the sink prepared to wash the meats. And once I wash the meats, then I have to sanitize the sink again. So that's what I'm doing here. Right here, guys, you'll see me taking the Ziploc bags. What I do is I take a section of the meats. So I try to estimate how much meat I use per meal. And then I just store each one of those pieces in one Ziploc bag so I don't have to grab any other overage. So I only cook up what I have in the bag and I use all of that up and then I start on the next bag. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just washing the meats, and what I did was I washed my meats with vinegar, and that's each piece. And then as you can, you already see who that is. They are not filling the camera, but anyway, that's what I'm doing. So I just do, it's just a repeat system. And once I'm finished, again, what I do is I just disinfect the sink really, really well. Why are we washing so late?
Huh?
Why are we washing so late?
I'm not washing it. I'm washing since I got up.
We're still washing, right?
Yes.
Okay, I said, why are we washing so late? We need to stop. We need to stop at a certain time. That's what I'm saying. You pick up later on. Past noon, it becomes more expensive for you to do that. So as you can see, guys, I've started to stock up on condensed milk. Here are the canned goods that I bought from Sam's. I will be returning to get more. I'm trying to make some sort of arrangement here, which is difficult because I'm not the only one that lives in this house, so it really drives me nuts not having things in order. But anyway, this is as far as I got. So I'm going to eventually get more canisters that have labels. But that is yet to come, guys. Guys, I just wanted to come on here real quickly. I'm just showing you guys how I really need to organize my pantry, which is coming up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.